What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Solana, sitting at 22.13, up 5.8 on the day. Yeah. See market cap of 887 billion, 24-hour volume 547 million. My energy is not great right now. I have a killer headache, but we're gonna get into this video. So we may put in a little bit of a higher high. If we do, then we're simply still pushing up in the wave 5. So what you could look at, probably ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially, if we break down without breaking this previous high, then we can start to correct like A, B, C, and then maybe that will be a W, and you A, B, C into an X, and you come down in a wave Y. That's possible. Our pullback zone, if we were to draw from here, is in between 1477, 1716, minimum target 1825. Likely where we'll look to enter our next position on Solana. Signal will be given in the Discord for 10 USD per month. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, it goes a really long way if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Really appreciate it. So that's what I'm looking at for Sol. Daily chart looks pretty good. Like we're putting the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. So of course anything can happen. The next resistance is up here at about 23.78, and then you're looking at about 26.29. But if Bitcoin pulls back, then I would expect Sol to also drop down in that wave 2 before seeing continuation. And we have a descending broadening wedge, which is a bearish pattern. I don't rely on patterns, but I just use them as confluence. So we'll see how everything plays out. If Bitcoin were to put in a higher high, of course Sol can push higher. That's why we don't buy resistance, we buy support. We wait for the pullback and we look for our entry, right? You don't buy resistance, you don't long at resistance. I mean, you can, but in the long run, you're gonna get wrecked. You buy support, you sell resistance. If you're shorting, you sell resistance, you short resistance, right? You take profit at support. Simple trading. Trading 101, that's like lesson 1, support and resistance. Anyways, that's my analysis for Sol. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you did. As I mentioned, it's $10 a month for my signals. You get access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. $10 a month, signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, auto all plays, Forex signals analysis as well. I don't have them open right now, but I do my trading on, let me see if I can pop it open here. Do my trading on Bitget and Bybit, actually mostly on Bitget now. And you can sign up, grab those bonuses, up to 8K in bonuses here on Bitget. Once you make your deposit, you can email me your sign-up email. There's a juicy bonus that I provide for my my subscribers who make their first deposit. I'm sure you'll find it quite worthwhile, in my opinion. All right, gang, that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Much love. Enjoy your day. Might try to get one more video, but the screens are killing my head. But that's not that important. All right, see ya. Take care.